Yeah, I just want to wish everyone happy Ganesh Chaturthi and we wish you all your dreams. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Hi everybody, today I'm with somebody who's an actor by profession but who's actually a real life hero, a champion for change, Sonu Sood. Everybody knows you. I don't think you need an introduction at all.
Today's Bappa's day, so
Yeah.
not important.
Yeah. No, talking about Bappa, so firstly I want to wish you a very happy and auspicious Ganesh Chaturthi to you.
Wishing you the same.
Thank you so much for inviting me to your lovely house. And firstly, first I want to ask you, you've been doing this tradition for almost 25 years, I believe. So, what connects you to Ganpati so much?
Yeah, I think I remember the first day I came to Mumbai, never knew a single soul. And all I had was dreams in my eyes, and I made a promise to myself that I will follow the path that Bappa showed me when I brought him home for the first time, and it's been almost 28 years that Bappa is coming home, and every single year has been special than the previous one. The path of changing lives that Bappa showed me has been the most special phase of my life, and I thank Bappa every single second of my life, and I promise to continue on this path.
You promise?
Yeah, of course.
I'm sure you're a man of your words, you know. But tell me one thing, I want to ask you a very fun thing. Do you and your wife do specially something together, curate something? I'm sure you must have prepared something eco-friendly, only knowing the kind of person you are. So, do you and your wife do something special together for the occasion?
Yeah, we all do. I think she is in charge of taking care of the decoration, bringing Bappa, choosing Bappa home. Me and my sons bring Bappa home. So I think everyone is very responsible in making sure that it should be the most special 10-11 days of our life.
Yeah. Achha, so recently, so you also do a lot of humanitarian work, as I said, you know. So is it his path that you're following? Like you said, like recently you've also stepped in as a director for your upcoming film Fateh, right? And you've also announced that you're going to donate all that to old age homes and orphanages. So how do you mix art with that? Where does that inspiration come from?
I think, like I said, when we came here, we never knew a single soul. And today, when we are here, I think it's only because of Bappa's blessing. He's the one who has taught the craft, he's taught the way. And it's very important to give back to society, whatever you do well in life. And he's been a source of inspiration for the entire world. And today, when I stand here, I can proudly say that he's not just been a Vignaharta, he's been a very important factor in my life who taught me how to connect to the common man and change lives.
Yeah, and before I wish you luck again, once again I want to ask you, how does it feel to be stepping in the shoes of a director this time?
Very special. I think it's a dream come true. All the things that we wanted to do as an actor, we couldn't do when we were out of the film. So I think as a director, you can plan those things, write those things, and I think it's one of the most creative vertical of my life.
That's amazing. I was an honor to actually meet you because I've heard so much about you. I've seen so much of your work, as a real life hero, and to meet you in person and to actually seek blessings at your house really means a lot to me. Thank you so much from everybody at Asia.
Thank you so much for coming here and me, Bappa.
One last message to the audience for the occasion.
Yeah, I just want to wish everyone happy Ganesh Chaturthi and we wish you all your dreams. Ganpati Bappa Moria.